Welcome to the instructions video for the Decay Chain Parent-Daughter Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you analyze radioactive decay chains by calculating how parent and daughter nuclides reach equilibrium over time, and determines whether you have secular or transient equilibrium conditions. To use this calculator, start by entering the parent nuclide half-life and selecting your time units, such as years or days. Then enter the daughter nuclide half-life with its appropriate time units. You can also input the initial parent activity if you want specific activity values rather than ratios. The calculator will determine the equilibrium type based on the half-life ratio, compute the time required to reach various equilibrium percentages, and display the activity ratio as a function of time. Review the results to see the equilibrium classification, characteristic times, and graphical representation of how activities evolve. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.